Hello guys, welcome to this session. I will still discussing about the various ways of controlling the soil erosion through the application of various conservation techniques. So far in our previous video, we covered more of them. So in this video, we'll finish up these ways of controlling the soil erosion. The methods of controlling the soil erosion include more as follows. Uh, the other one is terracing. The terrace is just the embankment of the earth or stone or other suitable materials or combination of these materials made across the slope for the purpose of controlling the runoff. So the terraces are just there just to slow down the runoffs of the maybe running water that is there just to to, to slow down the soil erosion. The terrace they decrease the length of the slope, thus reducing the erosion and the runoff. So that's what these terraces do. They decrease the length of the slope, and when the length of the slope is decreased, uh, it reduces the soil erosion that can be caused by runoff water. Now, there are two types of the terraces, namely there is level terrace. This is the ridge built generally on sandy soil with little or no grade. It is designed just to hold water in the field until absorbed it, adapted in areas where rainfall and soil characteristics are such that there is only slight danger of water accumulating in the soil and breaking the soil surface. So this is the first type of the terrace, the level terrace, just kind of a ridge built structure generally formed on the sandy soil with just little or no grade, whereby it is just there just to hold water in a field until the water is absorbed so that the erosion cannot occur. So of that's clear. The second one is the channel terraces. These consist of the cut downs. So this kind of a terrace consider that are cut across the slope. This kind of channel, they carry the excess rainwater from the fields, but at a low speed, thus minimizing the erosion. So these channel terraces are there just to decrease the or minimize the erosion toward the land or at the slope. They are commonly structured in regions that receive the heavy rainfall. And this is how the terraces look like according to what we've discussed. So the terraces, how they are built here. This is kind of a terrace, the first one that we discussed, whereby the water is left here at a time whereby the water will just dry out, and in a way that help to reduce the erosion that maybe these terraces, if they wouldn't be here, the water would have washed away the soil that is within this kind of a slope. I hope that's clear. Moving on, the other way of conserving the soil is planting of trees and grasses. We talked about the reforestation and afforestation as one of the ways of conserving the soil. Now, the trees and grasses, they can act also as wind breakers, and they can also control the water erosion. So they have to be planted. Now, in controlling the erosion caused by wind, trees or grasses may be planted in strips so that the soil particles carried by the wind may be deposited on or near the grass strip. And this is how simply illustration of this planting of trees and grasses. The other way is the mulching. The mulching acts as a huge sponge which it absorbs the water that fall on it and releases it slowly and harmlessly to the underlying soil. Now, if there is no protective cover over a wide area, erosion may occur rapidly. So this is the other way of conserving the soil, and this is how it looks like. So it puts kind of a help, like a kind of a small hills that are there just to cover up the soil, just to enable that the water cannot erode the soil that is covering that kind of a area. So that's all I have for this session. We've finished up discussing these ways of conserving the soil. I hope that's all clear. We've discussed the many of them, and all of them are there just to conserve the soil, just to avoid the erosion that may be caused by various agents of the soil erosion. Thank you.